Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Pavaskar and I am from Team Portfolio Builder. My teammates are Riya Kulkarni and Zuya Ashtaputre. Problem description. Why do we need our product? In today's highly competitive market, professionals struggle a lot to differentiate themselves. The existing portfolio builders have lack of customization, generic templates, and lack of insightful analytics. It's very tough to show your unique stories in a different way. It's very hard for individuals to communicate their full value to potential employers. That's when our solution Portfolio Builder comes in picture. Some of our key features are quick sign up, personalized metrics, resume upload and extraction, very easy to use user interface, job description batch which also gives you the missing keywords, and most important, the applicant tracking system, that is the ATS check. This is how our system looks. Imagine Zoe, who is an aspiring data scientist. Zoe will sign in using the Google login. Now she can see our dashboard. The first section is the resume section. She will go and she will upload her resume. She will click on browse a file and she will upload her resume. Now you can see that on the left hand side you can see the resume that has been uploaded from the system, and on the right hand side you can easily see the resume passing results. You can see her profile, education, work experience, and all the details have been passed properly. Now she clicks on the select save button. The second part is about creating the portfolio. You have two options here, select templates and custom portfolio. After clicking on select template, you can see several templates like web developer, software developer, product manager. Let's go to the web developer portfolio template. As you can see, her details have been extracted out and her entire resume has been created in a very beautiful portfolio. Her projects, work experience, and also a contact field has been added here. Let's go back and see the other templates. This is a software developer template. Again, all her details have been passed out and you can see her different sections highlighted here. The third template is for Zoe, that is the data scientist template. This template has been extensively made for data scientists, and we have focused on keywords like data, AI, and ML in this profile, in this portfolio. This is the ML engineer template. This is for someone who wants to join the field of machine learning and deep learning. The last template is the cloud developer engineer. You can see all the cloud certifications have been listed here, and you can also see her projects. The second option is of the custom portfolio. Here you can go and you can select several headers, and you can also change the font as well as the color. If you're not happy with any of our templates, you can go and you can select any kind of template here. The third feature is the job list. Here you can go and search for any job you want. Let's search for a backend developer. Here I type backend and then I select the country. Let's go and check this job listing. After clicking on resume match, Google Gemini API will run on the backend and it will fetch the job description match as well as the missing keywords. After uploading the resume in this section, you can see our results. As you can see, the job description match was 85% and there were 5 to 6 keywords that was missing in her resume. You also got a profile summary. The fourth and the most important part of our dashboard is the user analytics. After clicking on view user analytics, you can get all analytics of your resume on the same page. You go and you again click on resume upload and upload your resume. After this, we can see all her details in just few seconds. As you can see, her basic info is there. Number of resume pages is highlighted. You can also see that she is seeking opportunities at an experience level. There are skill recommendations. The analysis also correctly showed that she is interested in the data science roles. There are recommended skills for her. There are also courses and certification recommendation. At the end, you get a resume score based on the resume you have. Thank you.